I was confused, not knowing what to do after 10th. Had passion for engineering, but was unable to decide कि क्या मैं 12th कंप्लीट करूँ या पॉलिटेक्निक ज्वाइन करूँ. काफ़ी पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेजेस विजिट किया, लेकिन मेरा कन्फ्यूज़न बढ़ता गया. माय फ्रेंड नासिर सेड, यार एक बार जेडी पॉलिटेक्निक विजिट कर ले, शायद तो अपना मन बना ले.
Inspired by late Shri Amilalji Agrawal, Jaydev Education Society through JD Polytechnic is imparting quality technical education with excellent academic and research environment to more than 1,000 aspiring students. Rated among the top technical schools in Maharashtra, JD Polytechnic has created a name for itself in just 5 years.
एक स्टूडेंट प्रशांत की तरह मैं भी कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकती हूँ कि जेडी पॉलिटेक्निक हैज एंश्योर्ड दैट माय ड्रीम टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर केम ट्रू. ये कॉलेज का एम्बियंस ही कुछ हटके है, किसी गुरुकुल परंपरा से कम नहीं. लार्ज एयर लेक्चर रूम्स, ग्रीन कैंपस जहां हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट और पढ़ाई सुकून से कर सकते हैं.
Designed by one of the most creative and innovative architects, the campus has a varying combination of awe-inspiring stone building with footpaths, lush green landscaping, water body and courtyards that create an intimate academic environment. The architectural style, which is akin to a Swiss village with its elaborate facades, delicate ironwork and carved wood, makes it the best designed college in the country.
It is a very very good institution. It is one of the new type of institution. The climate, atmosphere and all that things I have not seen such a type of institution anywhere.
I want to put on record my very heartfelt, sincere appreciation for the beautiful work they have been doing through this institution. They have a lovely campus, an extremely jovial campus. They have beautiful physical environment created. They have very nice ambience, social ambience here. Their teachers, they seem to be very motivated. The students are always very enthusiastic, and that is what, an institution which should have all these attributes to be called as a good institution. I find them in abundance here. And I am extremely happy that this college has a very, very bright future.
Art of engineering shapes our future. There is a great international demand for people in engineering field. Here at JD Polytechnic, we create well-qualified and accredited engineers, technocrats and technicians.
JD Polytechnic strives to create competent diploma engineers, and hence all efforts are focused on enhancing employment potential of students, matching the employer's perception of personality, technical knowledge, mass and interpersonal communication skills, equipping the students with high level of confidence and competence.
We strive to foster quality technical and higher education, research and training in rural areas, in various branches of science and technology, and simultaneously inculcate among the youth a sense of discipline so that they can be molded into competent and talented engineers.
Besides formal learning, there are many student-centric activities to help them evolve as individuals, because we wish to transform them into confident, competitive and informed professionals who are knowledgeable and full of wit and wisdom.
Besides the sprawling campus, JD Poly has access to advanced facilities such as language lab, beyond the syllabus technical courses, well-equipped state-of-the-art workshops and labs, central computing center, large bandwidth internet lease line, central library, making it one of the finest polytechnic campus in Maharashtra.
You can complete your entire studies here in the same campus, from diploma to engineering and to post-graduation in MBA and MTech.
The Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education has awarded excellent grade to JD Polytechnic.
इनका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है इस एंटिक बहुत बढ़िया है, और उनकी लेबॉर्टरीज भी देख लिए है. लेबॉर्टरीज में इक्विपमेंट भी अच्छे है, और उनका जो एटीट्यूड है टुवर्ड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट इज वेरी गुड. So I wish all the best to this institute.
The best part about Polytechnic is that you don't have to pursue 11th and 12th. Neither do you need to appear in national level entrance examination. Just by paying half the fees as compared to an engineering college, you can earn your diploma. And diploma holders are the most sought after for technical jobs. And if you want to pursue your education, you can get admission directly to the second year BE of engineering, still you don't lose a single year. The number of years required after 10th for doing an engineering and the number of years required after 12th for doing an engineering remains the same. In my opinion, this path of doing an engineering course is a better one.
The fully integrated JD campus offers the best teaching faculty, the promoters being renowned industrialists in the region. Their proven business acumen coupled with rich industrial experience serves as a perfect interface between academia and industries. It promotes and safeguards business interests and meets emerging trends. Their very presence in industrial bodies and consortiums ensures that the faculty and students gear up for the technical challenges in today's high-tech world. This helps in industrial visit, expert lectures of industry people, hands-on training in industry, and very important is the placement.
Creating top of the pile diploma engineers, that's our motto, who will be the jewel of professional world across the globe. And I assure all the parents that we are here to help your children to achieve their dreams and goals.
Achievement of past 5 years make me happy. Student progress, student-teacher relationship, supported by non-teaching staff, cooperation from parent is seen to be believed. I take this opportunity to congratulate all for their achievement and extend a warm welcome to the fresh batch of talented aspirants.
अगर आप भी ये फैसला नहीं ले पा रहे हैं कि मैं 10th के बाद क्या करूं, come down to JD Poly today and I'm confident that you too will take the decision that I have taken.
Join JD Polytechnic today and fulfill your dream.
JD Polytechnic, shaping India's future.